Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that can breathe new life into your Dell OptiPlex or all-in-one system. The ATEC 64GB DDR4 RAM kit, specifically designed for models like the 5080 Micro, 5090 Micro, 5490 AIO, 7080 Micro, 7090 Micro, and 7490 AIO. This kit promises to boost performance and enhance your overall computing experience. This kit includes two 32GB SODMM modules, operating at a speedy 3200 MHz. This ensures that your system can handle demanding tasks, multitasking, and memory-intensive applications with ease. The DDR4 standard also means it operates at a low voltage of 1.2 V, which is great for energy efficiency and keeping your system cool. Installation is straightforward. ATEC designed this kit for easy home installation, so you don't need to be a tech expert to get it up and running. Just consult your system's manual for the correct seating and channel guidelines, and you'll be good to go. The ATEC memory modules undergo rigorous quality control testing. This ensures dependable and reliable performance. Plus, it's backed by ATEC's limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind knowing that you're covered should any issues arise. Their knowledgeable tech team is also available to help before and after your purchase, which is a nice bonus. If you're looking to improve the performance of your Dell OptiPlex or all-in-one, the ATEC 64GB DDR4 RAM kit is definitely worth considering. It's a simple upgrade that can make a noticeable difference in your system's speed and responsiveness.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.